Hello, and welcome to Clutter Care Organizing. I'm Amy Novick, a Google certified trainer, Google Workspace Administrator, and professional organizer. I help businesses do more and spend less by using Google Workspace efficiently and effectively. I've been a Google certified trainer since 2013, a teacher for more than 25 years, a small business owner since 2019, and have helped more than 50 business owners increase their business efficiency. Every single week, my clients say, I didn't know Google could do that. You don't know what you don't know about Google, and I'm here to help. With more than 20 apps included with your account, Google Workspace can make you more productive while spending less time, energy, and money on your business systems. I guide you through setting up, customizing, and streamlining your most important business system, Google Workspace. This foundational system allows you to grow your business so you can make time and create space for what you value most. Click the subscribe button to learn easy tips and tricks to streamline your work life. Learn to use the tools you're already paying for so you don't spend money on systems you already have. If this video is helpful, please like and share this video with other small business owners so they too can become more efficient and empowered with Google solutions and make time and space for what they value most.